Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Laila Liana binti Abdul Latif and my matric number is 05636. Okay, first of all, we need to know what is the definition of halal hazard point. Halal hazard point is a point or procedure in halal manufacturing at which the control can be applied to result in halal food cross-contamination. And this contamination hazard at this point can be eliminated and prevented. Um, the second one is halal control point. Okay, control can be applied at this point. Step or procedure in halal food manufacturing, preventing or eliminating the risk of halal food cross-contamination. All haram materials must be identified and evaluated, determine the critical control points for halal certification, establish the monitoring procedures, establish corrective actions, establish a record keeping system, and the last one is establish verification process. Halal critical limit means maximum or minimum value which biological, chemical, or physical must be controlled to prevent, eliminate, reduce to an acceptable level the occurrence of food safety hazard. As you can see here in the menu, there are three pictures which are fried noodles, a glass of warm lime juice, and the last one is an omelette. Okay, flow chart diagram. The key steps in the process are identified, laid out step by step, and subsequently verified by the HACCP team. And the flow chart should not be complex as engineering drawing, and it should be simple, such as in the linear form. Okay, this is the flow chart diagram for fried noodles. The first one is receiving raw material. This is the HTP number 1. Washing the noodles is the control point number 1. The cooking process is HCP number 2. Mixing with the non-noodles ingredient is control point number 2, and non-noodles ingredient is HCP number 3. And the last one is plating, HCP number 4. The process of making omelette is quite simple than fried noodles just now. The first one is raw material, which is HCP number 1. We need to make sure that the eggs comes from halal sources. And the second one is washing. Washing is the control point number 1. Washing means washing the eggshells from any facets of the chicken. The third one is preparation, which is control point number 2. Preparation means you break the egg and beat it smoothly in the bowl. And the last one is preparation, and the fourth one is sauteing. Sauteing means you cook with a little bit of oil, and you need to make sure that the oil comes from halal sources, which is the common brand of cooking oil in Malaysia is Arsaji and Buruh. And the last one is plating. You need to make sure that the plate you serve is not served for non-halal product. Okay, this is the flow chart diagram for warm lime juice. Okay, the first one is raw material, HCP number 1. Second one is washing the surface of the fruits, the control point number 1. Cutting will be the control point number 2. We need to make sure that the chopping board and knife is suitable for the cutting process. Preparation by mixing the lime extract with warm water and sugar. And the last one is plating. We need to make sure that the glass used is free from any insects or any contaminants, so that it not be harmful to human health.